I was on TikTok and I saw this. You guys, we're close to the end. Also, I dyed my eyebrows, or I tinted them, whatever. I used black, which I was kind of worried it would look really dark, so I didn't leave it on as long, but I definitely feel like it looks more. I use that TikTok filter. Let me see if I can find it. That tells you like how your brows should look. Funny enough, my brows are already like pretty much in the shape they need it to be. See if I can try to work this up. Can you guys see that? So the filter right there, like it kind of shows you where it should already be at, which mine already started that way. And since I stopped going to get them waxed and I just like clean up the tops of them and tweeze the bottom, I feel like it looks a lot better. But it can very quickly look super like, they can look very thick and structured very quickly if I get a little too heavy-handed with the brow gel. So we're not going to do that as much now that I have them tinted. But this is where we're at, okay? We have finished all but like the very top. Like this is literally all that's left in my head for me to do. We'll pin that down, and I'm not actually going to do all of that because some of it has to, you know, be cover the extension. So this is pretty much what we got left of the hair I showed you guys earlier. This is what I have left. So I feel like this probably will be close to, if not enough, to finish the process out, but we'll see. I'm gonna turn music at my phone, so what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. My Beachwaver is here. So we're gonna test her out. Ooh, I have hair. That one in my ear. Okay, so this is the Graffiti. It's a 1-inch curling iron, and I actually have another one in my shopping cart on the website because when I purchased this one, I did not realize that it is kind of a preset heating, like 3 preset heat styles or heat temperatures. That's the word I'm looking for. So you kind of just have to roll with 1, 2, or 3, which are 410, which is the highest, 350, which is medium, and low is 290. So this is what she looks like. And then you just clamp your hair in here, and then it's supposed to auto wrap or auto curl your hair. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the highest because I have a lot of hair. So we're gonna see what this thing does. Let me go get some clips and I'll be back. All right, guys, so I have clips for my hair. I also have my heat protectant. This is the one I've been using for forever. So we're gonna rock this out. Okay, it's flashing. Control the temperature and the on and off. So I'm assuming when it stops blinking, which it just did, that was really quick actually, it is ready to use. So let's get this hair combed a little bit. Alright, so we detangled this side. Okay, I'm gonna split this in half, or probably is gonna end up being like thirds. Alright, and then I'm gonna curl away from my face, so you put the hair in, and then, oh, okay. Okay, alright, and then I guess I just hold. So we'll hold it for, we'll do 8 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm assuming, can I just pull it out? Easy enough. Okay. All right. I'm not mad at it. Okay. I will say I'm kind of excited because for me, like when you have in this amount of hair, curling it is a nightmare. I'm not even gonna hold up. Like, it is exactly how you imagine it would be. So to not have to like roll my hair myself, this could be a game changer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This could definitely be a game changer. I am loving these curls. All right. So I'm gonna leave that to settle, and I'm gonna detangle this side of my head. And I've kind of just been letting these extensions run free while they've been in my head. Like, I did a silk press-ish kind of thing, and then I installed these extensions, and so I really just kind of let them be wild and free in my head and not really try to style them a lot. One, because every time I install my extensions, I install them pretty high up on my head, which is why I try to let them just kind of just chill so that they can grow out like the first couple of days. Because my hair, these extensions, like, they never last me more than about 6 weeks before they've already started to grow out, and so people can like see the teeth and stuff, which for me, I mean, most people, okay, yeah, that's right, I feel like most people know like this is not my natural hair. Although I do still get stopped and people are just like, is that all yours? And I'm like, hell no, absolutely not. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. All right. The true test is gonna be when I'm like halfway through. Like, am I gonna be tired? I will say, not having to like wrap the hair, listen, unmatched. It's gonna take a little bit of getting used to, as far as like, yeah, that's right. This, like, making sure I'm turning it the right way, and that I've installed the hair, I mean, not installed, but I've like put the hair up there correctly. That's gonna take like a little bit of time to get used to, but I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. What up, you guys? So we're at Dollar Tree because I don't know if you've been on Watertok, but my sister kind of put me on, and the other day I came and I stocked up on like $20 worth of water things. And before you judge me, I didn't actually buy $20 for myself. It was more like $10 because I got 2 of everything, one for me and one for my sister. So it wasn't just like all me. But she really liked one of the ones that I got, and I got it from here, so I figured I was going to come back and see, one, if they've upgraded, because in one of the TikToks that I saw from Dollar Tree, they showed that they actually have syrups here too, and I didn't see syrups last time, but I also wasn't looking for them, so that's what we're getting ready to go in here and look for, is drink packets, syrups, and that one that she wants specifically. And then I want to check the other Dollar Tree because I didn't check that one at all last time because I had already got so many here. So I'm gonna go to that one and see what they have. And yeah, let's go. Y'all, the amount of money that I just spent on drink stuff, unhinged, completely unhinged. And I still stopped. I got a cookout tea. Well, actually I got food, but I got a tea with it. So anyways, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. all of this is not for me, so bear in mind that some of these are a lot of these are duplicates, because I got me some and I got my sister some. So I tried to like put them all in separate bags, so it'll be easier when I got back here to kind of go through them. But yeah, actually that has nothing in there. Oh, did you guys know? I got pretzels, y'all don't care. Did y'all know that Real Techniques sponges have the option on it? Like, can you see it says light to medium coverage, and it gives you like a dewy look. And then this one says medium to full coverage, and it gives you a matte, natural matte finish. Yeah, so I was gonna get two like ones, but legit the two of that one was literally like $8, and this was $6. So I was like, it makes sense to get two of them. So the chokehold these have had the beauty community in bananas. Sorry y'all, it's all up in my mental. I also got a candle from Yankee Candle. It's the Pink Sands candle, because I wanted a candle, and because I'm a child at heart, I got these. Me and my god sister were talking about them, and just about like how honestly like they still slap even now. Like they still are really good. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna get 10 of them, why not? All right, so I'll show you Dollar Tree first. And y'all, why Dollar Tree put my business all on blast? Okay, so I got Snapple fruit punch. I got Pure Kick strawberry watermelon, which I don't know if I got two of those, because I don't really care. I don't care for watermelon flavored drinks. I don't know, it's just not my thing. So I got one of it to see if I like it or not. And then I got the blood orange energy. Can you see that? It's like too bright. There we go. So I got one of that for me, because I still have like all of mine. But my sister wanted me to get her two more of those, because she's a teacher, so she uses hers a lot more. That's fruit punch. That's that one. The next one I got was 7-Up lemon lime. I got cherry last time, so I just got the lemon lime this time. And second one of that for her. This is just the pure orange for me. And then I got batteries, because I always need batteries. Okay, from Walmart, I tried to separate these out, but I'm probably just gonna need to like put them all back together to see. So I think this is hers. So I got her plain lemonade, because she said she wants to try and make the drinks from Starbucks. So she got that. I got her pink lemonade, because she wanted that flavor too. Dragon fruit energy, I got her. And then we got 4 of these. So there's Energy Rush. There is the Crush box. I got messed up. And this one has orange, grape, and strawberry in it. This one has citrus berry and orange in it. And then the other two that I got were Hawaiian Punch, and this has lemonade, lemon berry squeeze, and polar blast. And then this one just has pineapple, watermelon, and lemonade. My battery's about to die. Hold on. Okay, so we're back. Literally, I only had 2 boxes left to show y'all, and so basically I got the same ones that I showed you earlier, which is 2 of each. The only last 2 I got were these, which is blackberry lemonade and cherry pomegranate, which I've had this one before Watertok was a thing. I've tried this one a couple years ago, and I really liked it, so I got this. And if you guys can see, this is the stash. And I know you're thinking, Pat, that doesn't look too bad. You're absolutely right, it doesn't. Except that it is 3D. My hands are too small, too big for that. So yeah, it's 3D. I am thinking about getting one of these and putting them in to see, like, store them instead of storing them in the boxes, because the boxes are taking up a lot of room. But honestly, I don't know if it's gonna be enough space. I don't know. Are they too big for this one? These came in like a set. I feel like they're definitely too tall for that one, which means it'd have to be this other one. It's the same size. Ooh, short. I don't think I'm gonna be able to use that one. Okay. So I'm gonna organize these because, baby, yeah.